Right there. That's one. There's one. Make sure you get a shot of that. Alright.
Right there.
You good? You good?
Yeah.
Alright. Here's two. Alright, there's two. Get a shot of that. Get a shot of that. Get a shot of it. Alright. Here's another one. Alright. The third one. Make sure you get the whole area. Everything. Chunk. Chunk, chunk. Alright. Which one? Don't put this on YouTube. Any dog can do this.
I'm gonna put it on
Oh,
YouTube.
he's a little wood in the way. Here's four. Make sure you get a spot of that. Or here's one more. Next one's the big one. Right. We're gonna keep this video for like a year.
I'm putting it on YouTube.
Oh, he's twerking. He's twerking good. Now let's play football now.
No! Alright, Snatcher, do you have any more? Okay, I'm gonna first person riding dog.
No, don't. You're gonna force it. No. Alright.
Oh! He's smart.
Let's go over football play so you have something to run.
No!
You're going against Jordan. Yeah.
No.
Fine, what do you want to play with?
I don't know anything besides that. I think it's good.